Good afternoon, guys. Hope everyone's having a glorious day on this beautiful sunny day today. It's actually been nice all weekend, isn't it? It's been beautiful. I had a good day yesterday at Action Tracks, apart from my back brake fouling on me. I have posted a video onto my YouTube just to show you what happened. But what I've done today is I've stripped the master cylinder down and I took the pedal, the back brake pipes and the lines off of the bike. So I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you where I'm at. So there's my pedal. I've disconnected my pedal. Obviously there's a spring what goes behind that pedal there, and it loops into a hole in there, and that's to hold your pedal up. You've got a pin which is down here, and your master cylinder bolts onto the side there, and there's your line for your cylinder there, and that bolts onto your master cylinder. So yeah, that's great news. I've actually took the master cylinder off. I've ordered it from a place called All Balls. This is where I've got my front master cylinder rebuild from, and it's here within the next few days. So I'm going to have a few weeks rest until I go back out again, because as many of you know, my budget's a bit tight at the minute, and I must prioritise things first. And I've got this bike for life, so there you go. Anyway, I'll show you the actual master cylinder. Let me just spin the camera around. Put it on myself. Yeah, what a lovely day today. So that's the actual master cylinder. Just there. There's your level. I'll actually take it back round and show you how it goes on and how it comes apart. So basically, get it the right way round, Joe. Right, so that there, which is your cylinder, bolts onto there with 2 bolts. The hole at the side there with the thread is what the line bolts onto, just there. And obviously you've got your reservoir at the top there. So it's quite an easy fix, a rebuild. Just got to try and error, really, to be honest with you. Underneath of it, this is the problem that I had. There's a spring and a piston which goes up inside that master cylinder, and it's held on by a washer and a circlip. So the obviously where the bike's like a good few years old, it's an 06 bike, the washer is rotten, and the circlip, I don't know if it's broken or rotten, but I did get it back on Saturday, ready for Sunday, but as soon as I put my foot on the brake Sunday, it all fell apart again. So yeah, that's the master cylinder, and that's the so how this comes apart. I'll take you back round to the toolbox. The reservoir don't look too bad inside. It's pretty clean, to be honest with you. Right, so this is your spring, and this is what leaks on master cylinders. These 2 rubber grommets here, or washers, whatever you want to call them, over wear and tear and over the time, they split and they leak fluid, and that's what gives you a spongy back brake. So if your back brake is spongy, this is what you need to do to change them 2 little things there. You need a little pick or something to get them over the coils there. I haven't got the master cylinder rebuild kit yet, but when I do get it, maybe Friday or Thursday or Friday, I'll actually do it online and I'll show you how to do it. Or I'll have a go anyway. I've never done it, but I'll have a go. It looks pretty straightforward. So this goes onto your pedal, this bit here, and this is what the piston. This is what pushes the piston up. So basically, it goes like that type of thing, and that pushes this spring up, yeah, into the master cylinder. So if you look at this circlip, it's hanging off. It definitely needs a new circlip and a new washer. So that's my problem, guys. That's off the pedal, off the bottom there. It's just held on by one bolt and a little clip there. So guys, hopefully the next time I'm out, I'll have a back brake. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to keep my channel alive. Have a good day. Peace out.